Oh, hindi kasya sa... Hindi siya kasya. It's too long. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. We'll see. Sarap na sarap si Matli sa peanut butter niya. Tingin na tingin sa akin. Gusto niya lumabas. Oh, you're a good boy. You peed in a pee pad. Yeah. Matli is a good boy. Gumaganon siya. Gumaganon niya. Matli, Mommy has to eat her breakfast. Tapos magbukas tayo ng regalo. Wala, may puppy din ang kapitbahay. Wow! Honey, the neighbor has a big puppy too. Very good. Naglalabas, mister. Try kong uminom ng glutathione. Where's my glutathione? Glutathione? Glutathione. Where is it? God, kidding me. May nabili akong gluta from Amazon, guys. Saan ko ba yun ilagay? Iinumin ko yun. Oh, okay. Found it. Ayan. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang magluta. First time ko, guys. Nung nasa Pinas ako, hindi ko uminom nito. Ah! Bryce down. Ano bang ipaharis ng bread? So, one side is toasted, one side is soft. Yeah. Alrighty. Hindi ka lang kumuha ng coffee. Yeah, let's open Maggie's gift. This one, this is yours. Oh, Daddy, there's a cake.
Wow!
Yay! Wow! Let's see. Let's see, Madeline. What's in here?
Is it washed?
No, it's not washed. It's newly boxed. Yay! This is for Molly.
Wow!
This is Madeleine's Christmas gift.
Wow!
Wow! Wow! Wow! Look at that! Oh God!
Oh, don't let him have it, baby. You gotta wash it.
Wash it, Daddy. Wash it, Daddy. Wipe it. Wow! This scares. Nagugulat siya. I'm scared. Molly, this one. This one. Can I hold this one?
Let me get
There's
to it.
another one.
Wait, baby, don't let it open it yet.
Yes.
Let me give you these toys first. Hold on.
Okay. He's very excited. Hey! 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 Are you excited? You are excited, Madeline. Oh, wow! Oh! Daddy! Dry it, Daddy, so he can have it. It's over there. It's behind you. Watch. What is it, Matthew? What is it? Wow. Daddy! Daddy, quick! Oh! What's up? Nagwawala na si Matthew. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Yay!
How come there's no sound?
Hold on, baby.
This is Matli's next present. Oh, he's coming, he's coming, he's curious. He's curious because he is excited. Oh, wow!
Motley, look.
Look! Motley!
Whoa!
Wow, it's so big! Daddy, what is this?
Yeah.
Okay, wash it, Daddy.
Look at that.
It's so big. Hey, you forgot the box on the wrapper, honey. Wow, now this is mommy's. This is my gift. Oh, one and only. Where's daddy's gift? Where's daddy's gift? This is mommy's gift. This is mommy's gift. Daddy is cleaning. Daddy, look, Motley. Look, what? Look at this. Who is this? Who is this? This is Mr. Who? Who is this? Who is this? Wow. This is my gift. Binili ni po. Ito talagang hiningi ko, guys. Nakita niyo na to. Nung nirarap ko to. Let's open it. Open the gift. This is mommy's gift from daddy. I'm excited siya. You wanna know? This is not yours, baby. Ooh! What? Molly! This is mommy's gift. Huh? You want this too? Oh no. No, Molly. Oh, look. Molly. Ayun, nakuha niya. Oh. Look, this is yours. Tadang! Yeah. Bite it. Oh. Look. This is mommy's gift. Daddy, where's his gift, Daddy? He wants my gift too. He wants my gift. Aww. Yeah. You want to have everything? Where's the gift? Oh, Motley! Oh, this is nice. Look at that, guys. This is a camera. It's a vlogging camera. You want a vlog? You want to be a vlogger? Yep, that's mommy's gift. Not a toy. Not a toy for Motley. Oh, you want the wrapper? Oh my god. Oh my god. This buzzed your ear. Naiingayan na yata siya. Okay. Mommy's gonna do her unboxing video. Jumping, a lot of jumping. Ay nako, cutie pie. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. That's a big one. You have so many toys. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you for my toys, Daddy. Thank you for my toys, Daddy. Thank you, honey. Honey. Nauuhaw si Mati. Ayan. At nagugutom rin siya. Palaki ng palaki ang kanyang appetite. Okay. Unboxing time. Ito talaga yung hiningi ko, guys. Kasi, maganda to ang camera na to. May gimbal. So, super steady ang ano niya, footage niya. Yeah! That's the bag. Pamphlets. Ito. Thank you, honey! This is the pouch. Wow. Oh, wow. The pouch is nice as well. Okay. I like it. Let's open it. Oh, yan ang sa loob. Super cute niya. Oh my god. This is the camera. The actual camera is so cute. So small. Oh, it's heavy. But small. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. Ang liit pala niya. No? Oh, wow. Tapos ito, I know may battery to eh. Saan yung battery nito? Ito yung casing ng camera. Ayan siya. Ito yung casing niya. Oh, it's nice. Wow. So, the camera goes here. Kung hindi mo siya ginagamit, so, ganito. I'm not sure. Okay. So, it should be in this position like that. Oh, wow. Yep. So, pag ganun. Tapos, in this. So, maganda. Maganda yung protection niya. Tapos, may mga extra. Oh, ito yung microphone. Ito yung, oh, external battery niya. Let's open it. So, nagsisilbing, ano din to, extra handle sa camera. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. Ayan. So now, medyo, ano na siya. It's long. Let's open that. Language, English. Oh, okay. Oh, here, there's more. What? Okay, so it has another battery extender then. Oh, ayan. So, how many battery extender? Okay, I'll find out, guys. Kasi na-overwhelmed ako sa dami. This should be the charger. Wow, that's the tripod. Yan. Wow. Yung, and then there's more. Ah, okay, so may ano siya. Kung gusto mo ng wide lens or yeah, wide lens ata to.
Jeez, damn it!
What happened?
He got banged.
When?
Banged right in my leg.
Oo. Ato yun. Si Matley kasi takbo ng takbo, nagzo-zoom siya. So this is the filter to change the
Molly, come on.
lens.
Come here, boy. Are you okay?
Another one too.
You okay?
Is he okay? You hurt? Where did he bang his
Banged right
head?
in my leg.
His
He ran right
face?
He ran right into it.
Oh God.
Oh,
What is
wait,
this?
wait,
Ay,
whoa.
magnet. Magnet for this? Oh, here you go.
Oh,
Para i-clip ang, ala, ayaw matanggal.
no, that's enough. Enough.
Oh yeah. Okay, that's enough playing, Matley. So, ayan. That's it, guys. May mga extra accessories talaga siya. Just in case we need it. Dito lang siya sa box. That's it. So, yan lang siya lahat, guys. Yep.
You okay? Come here, boy.
Okay, so that's it. That's the camera unboxing.
Ouch.
I'm happy, excited to use this camera.
You're wild.